What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Montoya. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be going over everything that I made during January and February. Now I know that March is almost over, but you know what? I have been sewing up some beautiful garments so far in 2021, so I'm like, you know what? I'm still going to record and show everything, give you some video footage of these looks, because I can't just let it go to waste. I have to share everything that I've been sewing so far this year, and I have so many more in the works. But let me not go off on a tangent. Let me just stay what the video is about, what I made during January and February. So the first one is, let's see, this is New Look 6305. This duster here. Now I got this fabric from Ankara and Lace. It's not on their website anymore, but I still linked the shop in the blog post. But this duster right here, let me tell you, this right here, a lot of people thought when I had it on my mannequin, they thought it was a dress. But yeah, I knew I wanted the print to go in this direction. But this duster right here, on the top of my list, I've already worn it to work last school year. And yeah, I'll be getting a lot of wears out of this. Next up is, this is my favorite outfit that I have made in January. Actually, this is like, this outfit right here, I love this outfit so much. I don't know how to explain it. I just feel so powerful, so regal, so like this mud cloth set. So this duster here, I actually have a tutorial here on my channel. This is New Look, I forget the numbers, but it's here on my channel. And I also made a matching half circle skirt that has an elastic back. This is my Teva skirt tutorial, because y'all know I'm not about that zipper life anymore, because my weight be fluctuating, especially during this quarantine season. I be exercising, then I don't exercise. I exercise, then I don't exercise. I be eating healthy, then I don't be eating healthy. So you know what? I need the flexibility. But this right here, this duster, if you've watched some of my previous videos, you already know, like, when the wind catches the hem of this garment, when the wind catches the hem of this garment, it's just like, whoo, so magical. And yeah, there's actually one picture where it looked like I'm a superhero in this outfit. But this right here, this is my favorite look so far. Like, this is like one of my top favorites that I've made. I love it that much. My next look for January is this Cambria duster by Friday Pattern Company. Now, I bought these two prints. I wasn't sure what I was going to make, but I knew I wanted to do a half and half something. I just didn't know half and half what. But this one right here, this was very good for my brain. When cutting out this project and piecing it together, I'm like, is it this side, this side? I had to really make sure I was focused, concentrated, not sleepy, working on this, because, since it was half and half, I had to make sure everything was lined up nice. But this was my first time doing something, mixing prints. Well, it's the same print, just different color, because I was just trying to dip my toe in the water. I wanted to do like mixed prints, but this is just me testing it out to see how I like it. Now I feel like I'll go a little deeper into the water next time, and really try out two different prints, not just the same print in different colors. But I just had to see first how I like it. Now y'all know I love a two-piece set, so I had to make another one. So this one here is my Tory wrap coat View B, and also another half circle skirt, because I love half circle skirts. They're so easy. I don't have to gather the waist. It's just, and you don't have to use that much fabric. I think I use like a yard and like a little under a yard and a half, or maybe like a yard and a fourth. Yeah, not that much fabric. And oh yeah, I know I need to. It's like, will you do something different? But I just love a mini half circle skirt. They're just so simple, so easy, so cute. I can, you know, wear it with leggings, or in the summertime I can, you know, wear it without leggings. I just love them. And this print right here, I have a little bit left. Not sure what I'm going to make with it, but yeah, I love this one. Okay, next up is this mock neck top, which I posted a video here on my YouTube channel. So I hacked the pattern because that's just what I love to do. I have a vision of what I want to sew, and then I find a pattern that I can hack that's similar, but I can add my own personal twist on. But yeah, I love this top. Really love the opening in the back. Nice tie closure. Yeah, fabric is from Joann's. Nice lightweight. I have a little bit of this fabric left too. I think I'm going to try to squeeze out, and you already know what I'm gonna say, a half circle skirt. But that'll be next winter. I'm ready for spring wear now. So alright, and the last thing that I posted in the month of February was family photos. My mom's 60th birthday. Actually, her birthday was in January, but we finally got the pictures in February. So yeah, I made outfits I made my mom's outfit, my brothers, I made them ties and pocket squares. For my sister, my niece, and myself, we all have the same matching skirt, which is this one here. So for this skirt, so for the base, the top part I started off with Mimi G's Jessica dress. So the skirt portion, I use that for the top part. And then the ruffle part down here at the bottom, it's just a long rectangle. Woo, I think this thing it's like 15 inches wide. I put the exact measurements in the blog post, but 15 inches wide and like 5.5 yards long. I don't I should have just made some simple gathered skirts. I don't know why I had to put the ruffle hem at the bottom. It wasn't, I mean, it is cute, don't get me wrong, but when you're making 3 of these, I was gathering for days. 4 days, like just had my head down, just gathering. I was like, I don't want to gather another item. I don't even know the next time I ever want to gather anything. Like, that's how much gathering I was doing. But it all turned out beautiful. My mother was so happy. She just loved everything. The whole weekend was just amazing. We cooked, we just had a good time, we played you know, Who Knows Mom Best, and you already know who won. Out of the 4 of us, you know, I must say I won by a landslide. I think I had 11 points, and then like my sister came in a close second. You know, then, you know, my brothers, they came in last. They don't be knowing, like, but I know Mom the best, okay? I won by a landslide. You know, at first I was a little bit far behind, but, you know, then I came out. I'm like, bam, got him. Like, I answered all the questions. But overall, her birthday was amazing. And, yeah. All right, everyone, that concludes the end of what I made in January and February. I have linked all of the blog posts for each and every outfit in the description box. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite make. Mine is the mud cloth. I just don't know what I'll sew this year that will top that. That is my favorite. But let me know which one was your favorite, and I will see you all next time.